Good evening, everyone. I'm Johnny Vicatlong of Iloilo. For today's return demo is lifting, holding, and burping a baby. Cradle hold. Cradle hold. Make sure to support the back, the neck, the head, and the bottom of the baby. Lamp hold. Sit firmly on the chair, feet on the ground. Put the baby on your lap, face up. Make sure that the baby is in your tuck-in waist. Hip hold. Face your baby upward and make his set in your hip bones. You wrap your baby with your arms around so that the baby can look comfortably. Now let's go to burping. Shoulder hold. So make sure that you have a birthing clothes on your shoulder to manage the mess. Hold your baby, supporting the neck, the head, and the back. Put it on your shoulder. Then, tap the back of the baby and gently rub to help him burp. Face on your lap or across. Hold on your baby. Sit across. Put the birth load on the other knees. Then support the neck and the head of the baby. Gently rub the back and top for the baby to burp. Sitting up. Gently assist the baby to be in a sitting position. Hold the neck and the back. Gently tap the back of the baby or rub to help him burp. Thank you for watching my demo. Bye!